But if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be one nocturnal son of a gun. But if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be one nocturnal son of a gun.
Add new project, then add this overlay. I will post it later on my channel. Next is add audio.
Son, I'd be one.
Click this green that represents audio, then match cut and add beat. Put the white line on the first yellow beat, then add overlay. I edit that and remove the background on Pixart. Put the line on second beat, then add overlay. You can find this sun on Google, just search sun, iPhone emoji. Find the chroma key. Slide the circle on the color that you want to remove, then adjust the intensity and the shadow. Click the first clip, and it's time to add keyframe. Add to keyframe like that. Put the line on first keyframe, then hide the photo. Do it again on sun. This is what it's look like.
But if I had to choose her or the sun,
Click the first overlay, then add keyframe near the third dot. Then add keyframe on the third dot, then make your photo small. Add again keyframe, then zoom out. Add keyframe, then zoom in. Always remember that you need to use the beat pattern for adding keyframe. Add keyframe, then zoom out. Last, add keyframe, then rotate your photo. Now add keyframe beside the previous keyframe, then add at the end, then rotate. (270°). Add keyframe on the third dot, then add again beside, and zoom out the sun. Add keyframe, then zoom in. Add, then zoom out. Zoom it in the smallest. Now proceed to the arrow. Go to stickers, you can choose arrow here. But I want pink, so I find something else, and you can find it here. That computer is a sign. Here you go. Just follow what I'm doing and observe where I put the keyframe. Add animation in and out is fade in and fade out. Done, then wait for part 2.
But if I had to choose her, I'd be one for gun. For the sun, I'd be one of a gun.